abathengi basazothwala kanzima njengoba intengo yokudla yenyuke ngo-3.4% ngomandulo kusuka ku-3.3% wangoNcwaba. Umphathi webhizinisi lenyama elasungulwa ngonyaka o-2009 uthi ukugcina ubudlelwano obuhle nabahlinzeki ikona okubahehayo.
You try and get a good supplier. You build a relationship with the supplier, irrespective of the price going up and down. So you try and make sure that you have a good supplier first.
Ezinye izinhlobo zenyama nazo ayisalanga njengoba intengo yaminyaka yonke yenyama yengulube kanye neyemvu inyuke kakhulu ngomandulo kanti nakuba yenkukhu nayo yenyukile kepha yona isathengeka.
What actually happened was in 2018 we were more or less on the same price level as now. And then the prices that the producers receive actually dropped, as well as the shelf prices of meat, while cost kept on increasing. And now this year we have again reached the prices that we have seen in 2018.
Imboni yenyama ebomvu ikhahlamezeke kakhulu kulandela ukubheduka kwesifo samatele kwezinye izifundazwe, lokhu okuthinta kakhulu nentengo yayo. Inhlangano yabakhiqizi benyama ebomvu i-Red Meat Producers ithi ihlalele ethembeni.
The thing that we need to do is really increase our exports. Currently we have a very good local demand, but when the economy drops again, our price is going to drop, and then we have to rely on the export markets.
Nakuba intengo yenyama kanye nempuphu ilokhu inyuke njalo kepha ezimnandi ezokwehla kwentengo yobisi, amaqanda kanye nelayisi elimhlophe.